Yeah, hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video today, we'll see the demo of how you'll be able to use the Copilot within your the team ecosystems. Okay, so Microsoft ecosystem. So I have this one Excel sheet open, and you see here on the left side, I have open source Moodle elements table name, and this is the field name. So some of the field you see, I have filled up the description. Okay, so this is the table name, this is field name, this is a bit of description, and here is it required default thing and how it is going to perform. So all the details I had. Now you see some of the empty thing here. Okay, so this is empty and this is all the empty here. So the thing I am going to do in this session, I am going to use the Copilot to fill all the details that is missing here. Okay, so I will select all. So even you can perform everything for this complete set because I have this data in an organized way, but still I will be not be betting much on that. So I'll be testing here. At the same point of time, I will make this scenes through the AI, and I will also be testing manually to make sure everything is working fine. Okay, so this is something I have done this one. So I have to select, okay. So if I just scroll down a bit here. So I have selected all the rows where I need to write a prompt to do my task. Okay, so here you see the Copilot on the top. This is add-on by default you will find here if you have the paid version. So I'm going to click here. Okay, so once you click, you'll have the options here. If you see the tools, the designer mode and the edit with Copilot. So if you select this one, edit with Copilot, so it will be also changing your the seat. But if you only go for the thing like how it can be done, you can go through this one. Okay, so you don't have to select anything from here. So only will have to type. But I want to give this access to edit with Copilot. So I will add my thing here. And the moment you select, you will also find something like this. So this is what all things have been selected. You will find. Okay, so I'm going to write a prompt here. I have selected these tables, fields, and in some cases, you see the description. You see the description is already there. You see the description is already there. Okay, you see the description already there. Also, you need to fill the default query about any other comment on the same. Okay, so this is something I have to write here. And what is this? So this table is from the Moodle core table. This table is from Moodle LMS core table. So you need description already there. You need to fill the default value where for fill all the details. At the end, I can also type. So this will be my prompt. So fill all the details for the empty one. Empty fields. Okay, so cells you can see here. So that's fine. So this is the prompt I'm going to give, and let's see how it goes. So you see here how much command you will have. So you can have all the details like this. Uh, We need to put, and you also see the steps here of what it is going to do. So I'll help you to fill the missing details. This table, roll number you see, based on the Moodle LMS code table schema. Let me first search on the official documentation to ensure everything. Yeah. Okay, so now you see it point goes to the official documentation, then it has filled all the details. You see here, it is already filled up now. Okay. So you see here how the copilot is going to automate your steps whenever you will be moving ahead with the thing on the paid, and you will have this ecosystem to support this copilot. Okay, so now yeah, I am going to verify some of this. So like I have this module type required. Okay, this is ID instance, activity instance ID required, activity table. Okay, section ID is where activity is placed. You see here everything is given here in the detailed way. Okay, so it's called display flag, basically deprecated now. You see here it's default one. Indent, so indentations are level of the course page, the teachers. So visibility, like yeah, flag 1 or 0 hidden teacher can change. Okay, so this is all the details you see. It has been filled up by the this particular Copilot AI automation tool. So same way I can perform for this one also the course section. Okay, so from the next time I don't have to write everything. So I just type here, perform the same for the selected one. Here we have table name. If you want, you can type. We have table name. What is the table name? You can type, or if you even you don't, it will automatically be taking CMDL course sections. Okay, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so you see here, so the thing you'll be doing one by one, it is going to take lots of time. So even for the one table, it is going like, let's say example of the MDL course model, it is going not going to take, if you go manually, not less than even an hour. But with this, you see here, once you'll have the access to this Copilot ecosystem, you'll have just type your prompt and things will be done in a moment. You see here. So the overall you see here, your 1 hour of work is being done in less than 2 minutes. You see here. Okay, so save. So it is asking the previous extent. I'll have to save. Okay, so it will keep asking you, even you don't save your manually, it will keep asking whether you have to save it or not. So now once you save, then it execute my next command. So now you see it has started reading. So what I selected 95 to 106, you see here, and now I fill up. Well, so this is how quickly you will be able to do the things like once the requirement will have like this, you can fill it up all with this Copilot. So this is not just this one. So anything like anything you have to perform like in a MS Word or the Excel or even in a PowerPoint, everything can be done with this help of the Copilot. And you can save you lots of time. Okay, so this is all from this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.